Hello, I'm here to talk about the intermediate value theorem. Here we have some function, f of x. Whatever the function is completely arbitrary. It's just some function that is continuous along the interval we're talking about. On this function, we have two values, n and m. In between these values, there's a third value called c. All the intermediate value theorem says is that in between these two values, if the function is continuous, there is a point on the x-axis that corresponds with the point C. We're going to go into some more specific examples. Here we've named our function, f of x equals x cubed minus 3x. And we would be asked to determine using the IVT whether the function has zeros along a closed interval. I made the interval arbitrary, it's -5 to 5. So we would start by plugging each of the endpoints into the function. Here you can see f at -5 equals -125 plus 15. We evaluate that to get f at -5 equals -110. Next we do the next endpoint. F at 5 equals 125 minus 15. F at 5 equals 110. Because the value of 0 is in between those two values, we can tell that at 0 there is an x value and therefore zeros do exist on this interval. Because in between -110 and 110, 0 is, and because the function is continuous, it must pass through a point that is 0. Furthermore, we could evaluate the function to find out what exactly these points are. So we set it equal to 0, as you can see. Do a little factoring, and we can see that at both 0 and the square root of 3, the function is equal to 0. And that's the IVT.